With the Busy mobile app, record purchases anytime, from anywhere, easily. Hello. Whether you are in the office or outside, you can easily add purchase entries from anywhere using the Busy mobile app. Let's see how. First, specify mobile app user rights from Busy desktop. For this, go to Administration Mobile App Configuration and Data Sync Manage User. From here, assign purchase rights to the user, then save and perform data sync. Next, log in to the mobile app. After login, the purchase option will appear in the Create section. Click it to add a purchase. Now select the party. If the supplier is not already created, you can easily create a new supplier using the Create New option. After this, a new window will open where you need to specify voucher number, voucher date, purchase bill number, purchase bill date, and ITC eligibility. After filling in the details, click Update. Next, select the item and add the quantity. The item's GST rate and purchase price will be shown automatically. If you want to update the price, discount, or MRP, click the Edit button and make the changes. 2. Add a new item. Use the Create New option and then click Continue. If any item is selected by mistake and needs to be removed, simply use the Delete button. If you want to add additional charges in the bill, such as freight or discount, you can add them in the Bill Sundry section. If the Salesman option is enabled, you can select the Salesman as well. If you want to add any purchase-related information, mention it in the narration and then click Save. Now let's move to the desktop. Please note, if the desktop is connected to the internet, the purchase entry made from the mobile app automatically syncs with desktop data in real time, just like this. If the desktop is offline, the purchase voucher is saved in the Busy mobile app with a temporary number. As soon as the internet becomes available, it automatically converts into a regular voucher. In this way, you can easily add purchase vouchers from anywhere using the Busy mobile app. Benefits: purchase recording possible even when outside the office. Real-time purchase entry directly from Godown or site. No need for manual note-taking. Accurate stock and GST data. For Busy app purchase, updates, or support, call the given number 24/7. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful Busy features.